Welcome to Amit Thinks. In this video we will learn how to run Python 3.14 on PyCharm. So for that first we will install Python, then we will install PyCharm. After that we will connect both Python and PyCharm, and in the last step we will run our first Python program on PyCharm. So let us start with the first step to install the current Python version. At first go to the web browser. On Google type Python and press enter. On pressing enter, the official website is visible, python.org. Click on it. Here is the official website. Now keep the mouse cursor on the downloads menu and the current version will be visible, that is 3.14.0. Click on it to download. The download started. We have successfully downloaded the exe file. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. Here you need to first select use admin privileges. After that select add Python to path. After that we will click customize installation. The optional features are visible. It will install pip. Pip is a package manager to download, install and manage Python packages and libraries. It will also install IDE, which is an IDE to run Python programs. Rest keep as it is and click next. Advanced options, select install Python for all users. Python will get installed in the following location. No problem. Click install. Now Python will get installed. Let's wait. We have installed Python. Click close. Now let us verify. Go to start, type cmd. Click open. Now type the command python -- version and press enter. If the following is visible, that means we successfully installed Python. Let us close this. Guys, we successfully installed the current Python version. Now let us go to the browser and install the current PyCharm version. On Google type PyCharm and press enter. Click on the first link, that is jetbrains.com/PyCharm. So now PyCharm is a unified product. Okay, you can directly click download here, or you can go below. Click the download button. Now here it is. I told you PyCharm is now a unified product. So you just need to click the download button here to download the exe file for Windows. It is freely available. Click the download button. Now the download will start. Here it is, the download started. Let's wait. We have successfully downloaded the exe file for PyCharm. Right click and click open to begin the installation. Minimize. PyCharm setup started. Click next. The PyCharm installation will take 3.4 GB and it will get installed in the following location. Keep it as it is and click next. Now if you want, you can set PyCharm as a desktop shortcut. I'll select this and click next. Click install. Now PyCharm will get installed. Let's wait. The PyCharm setup completed. It also created a desktop shortcut. I'll click finish. Now to open it, I'll double click. Now PyCharm opened successfully. From here itself, we can directly create a new project. Click customize and from here you can change the theme if you want. Okay, I'll click on projects and select new project directly. Now here we will link our Python with PyCharm. So it automatically detected that we have Python 3.14. So it automatically took the same version. That is the same path wherein we installed Python 3.14. That is Here it is, Python 3.14. It took the same path. Okay, you can also verify. Here is the path. Okay, and the following is the location of our PyCharm project. I can name my project. So I'll give it a name, Amit project. Okay, after that, click create. Now our first project will get created. So here is our first project. That is, we just created this. These are the features. We can close this. Here is our first project. Okay. Now let us create a new Python file in this. I'll right click on the venv environment, select new, and after that I'll select Python file. Let us name the file. Let's say I'll name it demo. It will automatically add a .py extension because the Python file is by default selected. Just press enter. And now we have our first Python file. Let us print something. Using the print method, I'll print my name. Okay, after that, you can go to the file menu and click save all. If you want the menus back, click here, go to view, select appearance, select main menu and click show above main toolbar. So both the menus are now visible. Now to run the project, right click and click run demo. Demo was our file name. I'll click and here is the output. So we successfully printed our first Python program. And this is our file. For a free Python tutorial, refer to the link in the description of the video.